I know that there are a lot of purists out there who say that you should never use a heater when tent camping, because it takes something away from the roughing it aspect of the experience. It must be said, though, that waking up in the middle of the night from the cold, or not even being able to fall asleep in the first place because your body just won't stop shivering, is maybe a little too rough. There are many products available to choose from best tent heater, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best tent heater from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Mr. Heater MH9BX Massachusetts. Maybe the most popular and highly rated brand for camping heaters among outdoor enthusiasts, Mr. Heater provides several excellent choices for tent heating, and makes our list of best tent heaters in 2023 more than once. For the best propane camping heater, Mr. Heater Buddy seems an obvious choice. Not only will it heat a medium to large tent easily, or even an outdoor space, with its 2-level output, but it is also ultra safe to use. If Mr. Heater Buddy gets tipped over, it automatically shuts itself off. It also turns off when the pilot light is gone out, or when it senses that oxygen levels are too low. This last safety feature, while really smart and valuable, also raises the only concern about the Buddy: it won't operate well over 7,000 feet, at which elevation oxygen levels are already lower. Superbly engineered, easy to use, and very well built, the Mr. Heater Buddy Radiant Heater works wonderfully well in a wide range of camping and outdoor situations. Number 2. Portable Electric Space Heater. Electric heaters offer some real advantages, chiefly that you won't need to bring fuel with you. They tend to run quietly and efficiently and have good safety features, and are the most simple and easy to use. Remember, though, that they still need to be powered, so a plug-in electric heater will need a power outlet somewhere close by. And don't rely on an electric heater for survival. You may not have a power source, or the campsite may experience power outages. Still, electric heaters can be a great option, and an important part of any buyer's guide for the best tent heaters. And the Brighttown Portable Electric Space Heater is an especially efficient, durable, and safe choice. Safety first: the Brighttown Space Heater is cool to the touch on all outer surfaces, and is made of flame-retardant material. It automatically turns itself off in the case of overheating, and also shuts off if it gets tipped over. Number 3. Mr. Heater Big Buddy Indoor-Outdoor Heater. If you are using a large tent, like the wonderfully luxurious Ozark Trail 12-person 3-room instant cabin tent, you may want a bigger heater to keep all of your friends and loved ones warm. The Mr. Heater Big Buddy Propane Tent Heater is a great choice, with plenty of output, a complete array of safety features, and the legendary Mr. Heater quality and engineering. With 3 heat levels 4,000, 9,000, and 18,000 BTU, the Big Buddy will fill even large tents, up to 450 square feet, and can also heat larger outside areas efficiently. The lower settings make the Big Buddy very flexible, suitable for use with smaller tents, fewer people, or if you just want a lower temperature. After all, at 18,000 BTUs, the Big Buddy gets really warm. Being a Mr. Heater product, the Big Buddy is completely safe to use. It is rated for indoor and tent use, and has an automatic shut-off switch in case your Big Buddy gets tipped over, the pilot light goes out, or the oxygen levels drop below safe levels. You can fall asleep feeling really relaxed and safe. Number 4. Mr. Heater F215100 MH4B Indoor Heater. Many of the heaters on our buyer's guide of best tent heaters in 2023 are just too big for smaller tents. If you have a 2 to 4 person tent like my favorite, the Hellman 4 Season, or if you simply want a smaller unit or less heat, the Little Buddy is a perfect choice. With the Mr. Heater Little Buddy heater in your tent, you'll enjoy a more modest 3,800 BTU output, which is still plenty of heat for tents up to 100 square feet, and it will operate at maximum output for over 5.5 hours. Like other Mr. Heater products, the Little Buddy tent heater is over the top when it comes to safety features. It has a safety shut-off which will turn your Little Buddy off if it gets tipped over, if the pilot light goes off, or if the oxygen level in your tent drops too low. If you want a perfect heater for any small space, including a home or office, which is rated for indoor and outdoor use, and is specially designed for complete safety inside tents. Number 5. 4-Hort Rechargeable Hand Warmers. I know that, even with all of the safety features offered by the other heaters on my list of best tent heaters in 2023-2021, some people still don't feel completely comfortable falling asleep next to one. Or you may just have very limited space, a pup tent or a 2-person, and don't have room for even a small heater. Enter the 4-Hort Hand Warmer. A tiny, rechargeable heater that can be put in your pockets, your boots, or your sleeping bag, and will run for hours on a single charge. The 4-Hort will not be enough to keep you alive in the Arctic, but it can make the difference between deep and comfortable sleep or fitful, restless shivering on those chilly nights. With its large 5200 mAh rechargeable battery, the 4-hour rechargeable heater can also accompany you on day hikes, and in an emergency situation, you can use it as a power bank for a depleted phone. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.